In front of me is the LENOVO Tab K11 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to open the Google folder to find Files app. Click on it and then tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Select Clean. Tap on Clean under Junk Files. And last but not least, Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!